Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we would make a magnetic fishing pole game. And there are my fish right there. This is a super easy craft to make that is also a game that's on my website. It's in the spring craft section, and it comes with templates so you can cut out your own fish. And for this craft you will need a magnet, a pole or a wooden spoon or a chopstick to be your fishing pole, some string, some metal paper clips so that you can attach your fish so that they have something to hang on to that magnet with, and some colored pencils or crayons or markers. Okay, so for this craft, there's a couple of different ways you can make your fish. The first way I'm going to show you, and there's two ways I'm going to show you today, is if you have a laminating machine. So the instructions come with a bunch of templates so you can cut out your own fish. And what you would do if you were using a laminating machine is you would cut out one fish image, one fish shape, and then you would decorate it with, make a face on it, do some polka dots, whatever you decide to do. And then you would put that in the laminating machine and laminate it. And that just covers it in plastic and makes it a little bit more durable. Once you've got that laminated, then you would take a little hole punch and punch a hole in the end here, and then just feed your paper clip right through there so that the magnet has something to grab onto. And it looks like that. So you have a fish. And you just keep going with that, making as many fish in as many shapes as you want. You can make them different colors. You can make them different designs. We have 4 different shapes to make on the website. So if you don't have a laminator but you still want to make fish, you would cut out whatever shape, but instead of just making one, you would make 2. So you're going to make 2 shapes identical, right? Then you're going to decorate one side of them. And then on the other side, what you're going to do is take your paper clip and tape one end into your fish like that. And then you're going to get some glue stick. And on the mirror side of that, you're going to glue and sandwich that paper clip right in there. Okay? So that and push it all down. Now you still have your shape, and then you would go about decorating it just the same, and then you'd have something for your magnet to hang on to when you go to fish, just like that. Okay? So those are the 2 ways to make fish, and you can make as many fish as you like and in as many silly designs as you like also. The next thing you're going to want to do is make a fishing pole. And to do that, there's a lot of different things you can choose. You can go into your backyard if you have a tree or something and find a stick like I did with this one. But if you don't have that, it's easy enough to make one using a wooden spoon or a chopstick or a unsharpened pencil. So whatever you choose, what you're going to do is tie one end to the fishing pole itself. I made a slip knot on the other one, but it was too slippery, so let's redo that. Okay, one into that. And then I had these magnets on my refrigerator. They already had a nice little hole in that, and that's plenty strong to pick up any of the fish in the bowl. So then you just get a bowl and see how many fish you can pick up. There you go. Fish. Okay. So if you don't have a magnet with a hole in it like that, don't worry about it. Most people don't have one that looks like that. What you can do is, here's a really cute little magnet that looks like a cupcake. And all I did was take a plastic sandwich bag and fit it down into the corner of the sandwich bag and tie a rubber band around that, and then trimmed off the excess sandwich bag. And then what you're going to do is just tie that to the end of your fishing pole. And you can use paint stir stick or some other anything that will grab onto a string that's not too sharp. And there. And that will also pick up any of the fish in your fishing bowl. Get him on there. There he goes. You can use a magnet like that. Anyway, Anyway, I hope you're able to make yourself a fishing pole game. It's a lot of fun, and you can see how many fish you can catch and versus your sister or your brother and have a lot of fun with that. All right, until I see you next time. Talk to you later. Bye.